Hi everybody, let's see how we can create this slide. It's look pretty amazing. You see, it's kind of nice. I want just to give you a hint of how to use a picture as a background. It has nothing special. You see, background is pure black and we have a picture of a sun. Let me copy that. I don't know what I do. Okay, I'll copy the picture and paste it here. You see, we have the picture here. Now I want to copy the text. This is something simple, nothing special, but the thing that makes this special, I want to reduce it in size and bring it to the up or down. It's up to you. I'm going to bring it to the up. After reduce it in size, bring it here and then copy the text and paste it here. And don't forget, the text must be less than 5 sentences with 5 words, because the more the text get, the less beautiful your slide become. Now I copy this thing and paste it here, and I'm going to paste it here. And with a little mind changing, what I want to do, I want to make them there and set the transition to morph. Now let's take a look how beautiful it's going to look. You see, it's pretty amazing. The effect is like zooming in and zooming out. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.